Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, pretty much saw like my productive morning, whatever. I'm still in my PJs. Yes, I am, because it's like a chill day for me. I am gonna stretch it out into my workout clothes, but that's gonna be later. But I wanna come on here. I know it's a. Let me stop right there. It's a lot has gone on this past year, like last year, but I am gonna do like a update for you guys later on in this video that we gonna sit down and talk to each other. Like, I know it's been a while. I know. Like last time I checked, since I filmed, was 8 months ago. Yeah, that's a long time ago. I know. But like I said, I will do like a life update later on this video. But in this part of this video right here, I want to show y'all my coffee recipe. That what I have been doing lately. Like, this is new. This is new. Okay, the stuff that I got is from Kroger's, but like in my local grocery store, it's new to me. Okay, I don't know, it might be new to y'all, but it's new to me. All this stuff I got from my coffee is pretty dang good. But let me show y'all the stuff that I got from my coffee. I am gonna make coffee, but like my ice maker is still making ice. But let me show y'all. I got this. You guys see, I didn't get the caramel one. I got the white chocolate, and I have been using it for my coffee, and it's so good lately. Like this. Hello, white chocolate. Like, it got another flavor too with dark chocolate. I have tried that next. I would get all three of them a little bit, but my mom say no. So yeah, I've been using this. It tastes pretty good. Then this is what, almost out. Like, can y'all see that? Literally almost out. Why is it not focused? Focus. There you go. Literally almost out. This is the banana swirl up, but this is pretty good. I love this. And this is what I saw at my local grocery store. This is the Dunkin' Cold Foam Creamer. This is literally so good. So good. I think I saw Veda use this, and I'm like, wait a minute, where she got that from? But of course I didn't comment or nothing, but like, I saw this in my local grocery store. I need to get it. I had to get it. I was so excited. But oh my god, like, the ice maker sound almost done, so look, have a good amount of ice for me. And then we're gonna start making my coffee, my iced coffee. I love iced coffee. I don't like hot coffee. I love me some iced coffee. Hey y'all, one is a whole lot later. It's literally dark outside. I think it's 8:10. I about to do my workout. Today was a lot, but I'm about to do my workout. And then I might have to film this 2 days. I will just like do it whole 1 day, but I still want to give y'all a life update. But as I'm about to start doing my workout, I am doing legs workout. Hey y'all, this was the end of the video. I would say I look completely different. My hair is not the same on the last doing the clip that I did. My nail is done, everything. I filmed this video in March, so like I don't know what happened. I literally just stopped filming. And I was supposed to do some other stuff for that day, but I didn't, so I just stopped. Which I need to tell myself I need to start doing that this year, that I need to finish the video that what I am planning on doing and finish it up. So I literally just stopped and do some other stuff. I guess what got into, I don't know what happened. I just want to give y'all a little life update. I was supposed to do this life update a very long time ago. Now we here. But I just want to say, I know I had not been posted on YouTube for very quite a long time, definitely on the channel. Now we sorry about that. I did post shorts that I stopped filming long length of videos, and I started posting more shorts. Because my shorts video was, you know, it was taken off. But I stopped posting shorts. I stopped posting videos. Last year I started posting videos, and most of all of my social media I started posting it last year in September. A lot had happened in September. I'm not really ready to talk about the topic now. I know some days or some of videos I will come across about that topic, but as one now, I'm not really ready. I'm not really ready to talk about that topic right now. But in the future, I will definitely will do a video of why I stopped or why it happened. But I just want to give y'all a little life update, what I've been doing, what my life has been going. But yeah, and I want to start back posting more videos on here on YouTube because I miss filming, I miss editing. But I did Instagram. I never saw all social media, but Instagram. I need to go back on my Instagram too. I don't really take pictures like that anymore. I just post whenever, but I do want to step on my Instagram. My TikTok is like the only platform that really is taking off. TikTok. My TikTok that actually taking off. Oh, Beyonce. This is my TikTok, y'all. I got 61.3k followers. Oh my god, y'all. I don't know. Literally on my vision board, I literally closer to 100k followers. Anyway, I think it's awesome. Like, I've been like planning about this for a very long time, even on my vision boards and stuff. It's just crazy to even look at that. One of my videos just hit 100k views, and yeah, all my videos like 200k views. It's really crazy. I can't believe it's happening. I mostly post fashion content, so like fashion styling videos and like that type of stuff, so people really like that. I just want to say thank y'all so much. But yeah, that's taking off right now. Like I said, YouTube had not been really great. I need to start back over. But I do have another channel that I want to say that I will be posting more like girly stuff on that channel, like makeup, fashion, going out shopping, all that kind of stuff. But this channel is like my visual diaries, like my self diaries or something like that. I won't like give it to y'all on this channel, but yeah, I don't say most of y'all who subscribe and thank y'all so much for staying with me. I will say thank you. I know a lot of people had unsubscribed. I was at 3,000, now like 2,099, something like that. I can't remember. But I will be posting more on YouTube. Just stick with me. I also have a job. I also have life going on in my life and stuff. But yeah, just be patient with me, please. I will really appreciate that. But yeah, I will be stepping on my YouTube game and my Instagram, my TikTok, all social media platforms that I am doing. So yeah, I can't think what else any update. I don't want to say take on. But more video I am so you guys see my hair, my nails. I did a man test vlog, so that will be coming out very soon. But I also had 2 other videos, my birthday vlog video that I had not posted yet. I haven't posted yet because I want to do this video first, and then I want to post my other videos, and then my 2 birthday videos, then my man test, then my other video, my new videos, and like all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank y'all so much for watching, and thank you for sticking with me until time to see what's next for my journey, my next chapter. So I want to say thank y'all so much. I will be posting more shows very soon, and I hope that I see y'all in my next video. This video and my other 2 birthday vlog will be coming out. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you had a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.